Do you think creating complex 3D models is difficult? Take a look at this short video. Do we really need to spend so much time just to place a circular line on this object? First, create a circle shape, and then use the cut tool on the object to make a circular line? There's definitely a better way. Do you know what that is? Using Boolean or Pro Boolean. Hi my friends, welcome to this video from the Architectural MD channel. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for me, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. Today, we're going to apply Boolean and Pro Boolean operations to this box. To do this, we go to the Compound Objects section, and here we can see both Boolean and Pro Boolean. In older versions, there were a few major differences between Boolean and Pro Boolean, but now the differences are very small, and I'll explain them during the video. We'll be using these objects for our Boolean operations. I'll start with Pro Boolean. There are 6 ways to work with it. I'm going to place this object in the middle of the box so it sticks out from both the top and bottom. The first option, Union, combines the two objects together and removes the intersecting areas to expand the shape. Right now, I've pressed F3 so you can see inside the object. If I click on Merge, you'll notice the intersecting parts in the middle are still there. The same thing happens with Attach and Insert. Now, I'll press Ctrl+Z to undo. The next useful option, Intersection, keeps only the intersecting parts of the two objects. For example, if I move this donut-shaped object above the box and create some overlapping areas. You'll see those shared parts stay visible, like this little dent in the box. Now, I'll press Ctrl+Z to undo. The most important option, Subtraction, removes the intersecting areas entirely. This is extremely useful for creating complex 3D models. There are also 2 more operations. One to create edges on the object and another to slice it. These 2 can be used along with any of the 6 main Boolean modes. Personally, I recommend using Union when you want to create edges. The cookie option lets you slice through the model, and you can even see the inside after the cut. Now let's check out Boolean. As you can see, all the same options from Pro Boolean are here as well. The only difference I've noticed is that after the operations, the edges remain. Next, I'll create some shapes and we'll use Boolean on them together. Alright, here's our 3D design. I'm going to use the subtraction operation. Look at how some parts of the main object were removed, creating this really cool pattern, especially these twisted looking areas. Now I'll create another object so you can better understand how it works and see the details. See how the design I made is now applied to this object. This is exactly how you can create complex models and industrial parts. Using Boolean operations is one of the most important parts of this powerful software. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your valuable feedback, and if there's any topic you'd like me to teach, let me know so I can make a video about it. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.